Hey everyone, here's a question on a square and a cube of class 8th. This is the first chapter and this is for second figure it out, second question. The question is, what number will you multiply by 1323 to make it cube number or perfect cube? This means this number is not a cube number. Cube means when you multiply a same number by itself 3 times, you get a cube number. This is not a cube number. We have to multiply by a number so that this number will become a cube number, or we can say perfect cube. How to do it? Remember, if the number is a cube number or a perfect cube, the prime factors will always be in a set of 3 or the form of triplets. So first we'll find out the prime factors. We'll have to express this number in terms of its prime factors. We'll use our ladder method and we'll find the factors of these numbers. So here we have 1323. Now this is an odd number, so we'll start with 3. So let's check if this number is divisible by 3 or not. How to do it? When you add each number here, if the sum is divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. So this is a divisibility test for 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Since 9 is divisible by 3, so whole number will be divisible by 3. Let's divide it. We'll divide here itself. So if you want to divide, you can divide separately the number, and the quotient you obtain, you can write it in the next step. Since 1 is not divisible, I'll take 13. 3 fours are 12. We get 1 as a remainder. Next we have 12. So the remainder, you write this along with the next digit. So it is 12 now. And 3 fours are 12 and 3 ones are 3. Now this number is again divisible by 3 because when you add the digits, you get 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So I'm using a divisibility test here of 3 to check if the number is divisible or not. So let's start dividing this. 3 ones are 3, 1 is a remainder. 3 fours are 12, 2 is a remainder. 3 sevens are 21. Again this number is divisible by 3. 3 fours are 12, we get 2 as a remainder. Now we have 27, 3 nines are 27. Now 49 goes in 7, it doesn't go in 3. Next number is 5, but for 5 the last digit should be 0 or 5, but here we have a 9. And the next number is 7, and 7 sevens are 49, and 7 is a prime number, so 7 ones are 7. So what we obtained here, 1323 can be expressed as 3 times 3 times 3 times 7 times 7. Now look at the factors here. The factors will form a set of 3, or they will be a triplet. So here you can see this is forming a set of 3, but for 7 there is 1 7 missing. If the number was a cube number or perfect cube, the factors of 7, the 7 here we have only 2, there will be 3 here. So here 1 7 is missing. If there was another 7, the number will become cube number. So the question here is what number you will multiply. So if I multiply both the sides by 7, so I cannot just multiply on one side, right? Whatever you're doing, you have to do it on both the sides. So if I multiply this 7 on both the sides, the number will become cube number. So let's multiply this. So we don't have to multiply here because they are not asked in the question. So if they ask in the question to find the cube root, then you have to multiply and find the cube root. Here they are just asking what number you will multiply. Here we'll multiply it by 7. Therefore, the number to be multiplied is 7. You have to just check the factors. If they are forming a set of 3, they should be in a triplet. If they're not forming a triplet, then you have to check how many more factors are required. Like in this, suppose you have only 1 7. Then you have to multiply with 2 sevens, right? 7 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Then your answer will become 49. This is just a in case question. Like if you have only one factor and 2 are missing, then you have to multiply with 7 times 7. It's not only 7, if they have given you any number and you have to just find out which factors are missing. That's it. I hope this question is clear. If you have further question or doubt, give a comment. Thank you so much for watching.